Welcome to the fourth creative day. Only 2 left to go, and that's including today, by the way. So you guys are getting very close. Congratulations on making it to the water's surface. At this point, the only device you have not used yet is the OLED display. The amount of open-ended projects you can make now are truly vast. However, here are some good prompts for you anyways, just in case you wanted to have some ideas of some stuff that you can work on. First of all, you can make a color mixer with the RGB LED. So by using the rotary encoder, you can have a dial to adjust the RGB values to create some custom colors. I also recommend adding in the 4x4 keypad so you can actually select maybe A, B, and C are R, G, and B, red, green, and blue, respectively, or however you want to have it set up. Maybe you do it that way. So you can select which color you are adjusting, and then just allow the value to go between 0 and 255 to set how much of that color you want it to be, and then display on the RGB LED what that is. Another good project idea is the digital alarm clock with the 7-segment display and the buzzer. So you can create a digital clock using those two, and then even add, if you want to go above and beyond, a rotary encoder to then set the time. And then you can set an alarm to go off at perhaps a certain time or a certain moment. That is up to you. I'd love to see what creative things you can come up with that one. Finally, I don't know if you remember on day 12, specifically the day 12A, inspiration for you guys. You guys can also look into making a jukebox with the buzzer and maybe even the 4x4 keypad, where each of the buttons maybe you press it and then it cycles through various songs on the jukebox. Now be warned, just in case of a little bit too much memory usage, perhaps. Once you're done, be sure to share on inventor.io/Facebook with the hashtag CreativeDay20. Looking forward to seeing what you guys can come up with. Of course, if you run into any troubles, just like always, your fellow inventors are always there at inventor.io/Facebook. Thank you guys so much.